In this video, you'll learn how to reset your WordPress site using a plugin called WP Reset. This process allows you to restore your site to its original state, which can be useful if you want to start fresh without manually deleting content or settings. Begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see a menu. Locate and click on the plugins option. This will take you to the plugins management page where you can manage all your installed plugins. Next, find and select the Add New button at the top of the page. This action will redirect you to the plugins repository where you can search for new plugins to install. In the search bar located on the right side, type WK Reset and press enter. After a moment, you will see a list of plugins related to your search. Once the search results appear, look for the WP Reset plugin. It should be listed with a brief description. Click the Install Now button associated with the WP Reset plugin. After the installation completes, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After activating the WP Reset plugin, navigate back to the left side menu and find the Tools option. Hover over it to reveal a submenu, then click on WP Reset Settings page, where you will find options for resetting your site, On the WP Reset page, you will see a text box prompting you to type a confirmation word, enter the word reset into this box. This step is a safety measure to ensure that you are intentionally resetting your site. After entering the word click the Reset Site button to initiate the reset process. A confirmation dialog may appear, warning you that this action cannot be undone. Review the information carefully, as resetting will erase all content, settings, and customizations. Confirm your choice to proceed with the resets. Once the reset process is complete, you will receive a notification confirming that your site has been reset successfully. At this point, your WordPress site will be returned to its original state, allowing you to start fresh. Remember to check your database and files if you need to back up any important data before performing this action. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.